Hey everyone, it's Chris at Unior USA. Just wanted to show you these real quick. Hopefully to convince you to order one for your shop. Wink wink, nudge nudge. These are the 940 H2 Hercules roll cabs. We got 7 drawers and a door, which has a total of 3 levels inside the door unit on the right there. And let's check it out. This one's locked, so we're gonna unlock it with that little key right there, which is conveniently right next to the paper towel holder and the garbage can. And now we can open these drawers and take a sick look at everything we've got. All the essentials for most repair tasks. We don't include like frame prep tools or headset presses or anything like this. This is more just something to get you going, like a check-in station or like a real good start to a home shop. I don't have the inserts in any particular order right now. Obviously, if I was setting this up for use, I would put that one up at the top. Then inside the door over here, we've got, as I said, 3 shelves. And on the back side, if we come around, we've got some pegboard. So when you do get a headset press or BB taps or something like that, you can hang it right back there where it's out of the way. The casters are super heavy duty and they lock just like so. We've got 2 steering casters and 2 fixed ones. The top is birch ply, and beech ply, I think actually. And yeah, these are now available in our black North American colorway. So if you're interested, give us a shout. We'll get you set up. Cheers.